shine. Don't need a grand design, just your voice and mine.